In this video, I will show you how to effortlessly search through your past meeting notes and transcripts using the combined power of Claude and Fireflies AI. If you have ever spent way too much time scrolling through months of call recordings just to find one specific detail, this shortcut is going to be a total lifesaver for your productivity. The integration between these two tools allows you to treat your entire meeting history like a searchable database that understands natural language. To get started, you will need to open Claude and ensure it is connected to your Fireflies account. Once you are ready, you can paste in a specific prompt to scan your records instantly. You should ask Claude to look into your Fireflies account and scan transcripts from a specific time frame, such as the last 30 days, for any mention of a keyword like project budget or marketing strategy. The brilliance of this method is that Claude does not just find the words, it understands the context. After you hit enter, you will be provided with a clear list of meeting dates where that topic came up along with a concise summary of exactly what was decided or discussed. This eliminates the need for manual note-taking and ensures that no important action items ever fall through the cracks again. It is easily the fastest way to stay organized and informed without having to re-watch hours of video or read thousands of words of text. I hope this quick tip helps you take control of your meeting data and saves you plenty of time during your workday.